One of the basic ideas of matrices that you're expected to know coming out of high school is what a determinant is. And this is a simple definition for a 2 by 2 matrix. For bigger matrices, it gets more complicated, but for a 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant is defined according to this formula right here. It's just A times D, right? There's AD, minus B times C. There's BC. Okay, so let's take that formula and apply it to this matrix right here. So this won't take long. It wants to know what is the least value of x, blah, 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 which the determinant of the matrix, blah, 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 is equal to -1. So we do the determinant calculation. I'm going to do this times this. That's A times D. Okay, that's x plus 2 times x plus 4. And now the next part is minus BC. So that's going to be minus 1 times 4. And I want this to be equal to, what do we have here? It's going to be equal to -1. So go ahead and solve this equation. You can see there's some foiling involved. I have a feeling we're going to be factoring too. X squared plus 6x plus 8 should be pretty quick at that part. And then we have a -4 here equals -1. Okay, well, remember to factor something, I want 0 on one side, and I want to combine all the like terms. So we're going to simplify this. X squared plus 6x plus 5. Double check me. I think that's right. Okay. X squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So let's factor that. And you see there's not a whole lot to this one. It's still a nice, easy factoring job because we just have a single x squared right there. That makes it simple. So it's x plus something times x plus something. And I'm looking at the factors of 5, and I see only a few options, 5 and 1. And these both have to be positive. And I double check myself, and I see that if you FOIL this out, you would get 6x in the middle, right? You'd get x plus 5x. So that looks good. Now we find the two solutions for this guy. Remember the way you find solutions when you have something in factored form. You say, okay, x plus 1 equals 0. That means x equals -1. Or x plus 5 equals 0. And that means x equals -5. So which one is it? Because I see both of those in here. Careful. This is asking for the least value of x, for which the determinant of the matrix, blah, blah, blah. So the least value is going to be, -5, right? Least means most negative.